Hey everybody, my name is Brenda Tringali. I am a certified professional organizer and the owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing. So I have a few questions for you. Number one, do you compulsively acquire and save items? Number two, are you embarrassed to invite people into your home or office? Or three, are you so overwhelmed with your clutter that you just don't know where to start? If so, I may have a solution for you. So while you could hire a professional organizer to help you downsize or to do it for you, I am now offering a 16-week virtual workshop and support group that will teach you how to do it yourself, and it's a lot cheaper. So let me give you a few highlights. Actually, I think there are 5, but who's counting? All right, so number 1, it is facilitated by me, a certified professional organizer. So you are getting a pro. 2, it is virtual and online, so you can participate from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi access. 3, it is based on the nationally recognized book Buried in Treasures. 4, the start date tentatively in June. And 5, we meet weekly for 16 weeks. Each session is 2 hours long, so that gives you time to do your assigned homework in between. And your homework would be reading or required shopping or purging or whatever. And you're probably saying, well, how will this benefit me? Well, it just so happens I have 10 reasons. No, not 10 reasons, 10 benefits. 1, it is a small group size with a community of people who share the same challenges as you. So the compulsive acquiring and saving, and people who are finally ready to do something about it, just like you. Number 2, confidentiality, is required of all group members. 3, again, it's virtual, so you can do it in the comfort of your own home. 4, it is a compassionate and judgment-free supportive environment. 5, you will learn how to shop, downsize, and purge throughout the program. Yes, I said shop, but more about that if you take the program. 6, these are lessons that you can use for the rest of your life to continue downsizing and maintain what you've already achieved during the workshop. 7, we will give you challenging homework that will reinforce the topics that we covered in class, and you have homework that you will do weekly. 8, if you want and need accountability, this is the place to be. As you know, a lot of people will not do this. They won't declutter without accountability. Let's see, I think we are on what? 9, you can do the homework at your own realistic pace on a weekly basis in between classes. And last but not least, you're probably saying, well, what does this cost? So the cost is minimal. It comes out to about $30 per week, which is a steal. If you were to hire a professional organizer, that's just a steal. Anyway, the value of what you're learning and accomplishing is priceless because, again, you're learning it and you're doing it yourself. So, okay, now what? So if you're probably thinking, okay, how am I going to be successful, or are there success stories? Let me tell you this. If you come to class, if you show up every week, you do the work, you're committed, you make changes, not excuses, right? Make changes, not excuses. And you're really committed to this, you should make progress. I will tell you that based on a 13-week version of this program, so 3 weeks shorter, up to 73% of participants were either much or very much improved by the end of the group sessions. So if you're looking for more information, are you interested, just click the link and that'll take you to my website with all the details. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me, 603-490-6062. Again, Brenda Tringali, certified professional organizer and owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing. Thank you so much. Take care. Be blessed. Bye.